In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Excel file to Claude AI and get it analyzed. To get started, open Claude AI in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the platform, you'll be ready to begin working with your spreadsheet. This process is simple, but it helps to know exactly where each option is so you can move through it smoothly. After signing in, start a new conversation by clicking New Chat. This gives you a clean workspace and makes it easier for Claude to focus on the file and request you're about to provide. Starting fresh is especially useful if you want the analysis to stay specific to one workbook instead of mixing it with an older conversation. Next, upload your Excel file. Look for the attach icon, which is usually shown as a paperclip next to the message box. Click it, then browse your computer and select the Excel file you want to analyze. Claude typically supports standard Excel formats like XLSX and XLS, so either of those should work. Once you choose the file, give it a moment to upload completely before moving on. Waiting for the upload to finish helps avoid incomplete processing or confusion in the next step. Now it's time to tell Claude exactly what you want it to do. In the message box, type a clear prompt describing the kind of analysis you need. For example, you might ask Claude to summarize the spreadsheet, analyze sales or financial data, identify trends or patterns, create formulas, find duplicate or missing data, explain charts or tables, or generate a report based on the contents of the workbook. The more specific your request is, the more useful and targeted the response will usually be. Once your prompt is ready, send it by clicking send or pressing enter on your keyboard. Claude will then process the workbook and generate a response based on your instructions. Depending on the size and complexity of the spreadsheet, this may take a little time, so be patient while it works through the data. When the analysis appears, review Claude's response carefully, read through the summary, recommendations, or calculations it provides, and check whether it answered your request fully. If you need deeper insights, more detail, or a different perspective, continue the conversation with follow-up questions. From there, you can refine the results by asking Claude to filter or group data, compare values, generate charts where supported, create Excel formulas, or draft summaries and reports